In this video, we will discuss reviewing point data. Civil 3D provides great reviewing capabilities for point data. To review point data, you can use the panorama window, the review pane in the tool space, or the properties palette. Let's go ahead and look at this. First, let's look at the tool space. By simply clicking the points category, you can actually review all the points in your drawing. Each one of these columns is completely sortable, and you can even look at bogus elevations that may have been incorporated into your survey file accidentally and sort by that column. If you scroll to the right, you'll see all the different descriptions, the styles being used, and so on. If you want to select specific Civil 3D points that you want to edit, you can select them, and then in the ribbon, click on Edit List Points. Again, this will open up in the panorama window, and now you can edit any of the point properties defined here. Note, to make any kind of global edits, if I hold the Shift key down, you can select multiple rows. One of the things too to mention, if you want to globally change all the different settings or styles defined by these points, you cannot click once in here, as this will only select the current row that you pick. To do so in a global way, and this is standard for all Civil 3D objects in this type of interface, simply select all the objects you want to change, right-click on the actual header, and then choose Edit, and now you can change the setting that you want to change just for the points that you had selected. Pretty cool. When you're done with that, simply click the check mark to get rid of that vista in the panorama window. You can also, of course, use the Properties palette to simply select an object, navigate to the Properties palette, and you can change pretty much any of the properties here as well.